Welcome to this video on how to automate with Claude Code. We will explore how to use this tool for rapid software development. Browser-based chatbots offer descriptions, but Claude Code's CLI agent goes further. It creates actual working software, handles dependencies, and runs projects directly from your terminal. The foundation for Claude Code is Node.js. Ensure you have the LTS version v18 or higher installed. Use the terminal to verify your installation. Install Claude Code globally via the command line using npm, the Node Package Manager. The G flag installs it across your entire system, making it available everywhere. To authenticate securely, type Claude login. This command automatically opens your browser for authentication, securely linking your local workspace to the AI's reasoning engine. Navigate to your project directory. Then, type Claude to wake the agent. It will greet you and confirm it is ready to assist with your project. For project initialization, use the quo/init command. This scans your existing codebase and generates a CLAUDE.md file, setting ground rules for coding standards and tools. For the best workflow, integrate the AI into your code editor. Dock the terminal to view file changes in real time as the agent works on your project. When giving instructions, use Shift+Enter to create well-formatted multi-line prompts. This ensures the AI receives clear, structured tasks, leading to better results. Use the 8 symbol to reference specific files in your prompt. This guarantees the agent's attention is focused precisely where you need updates or changes. Claude Code offers 2 modes: Plan mode for abstract reasoning and strategy proposal requiring user approval, and Agent mode for autonomous execution, editing files, and running tests. In Agent mode, the agent autonomously plans, executes the code, and provides a live to-do list via Control+T. This allows you to monitor progress in real time as files are modified. Claude Code can take your single prompt and transform it into a live, functional application, potentially achieving 100% functional software with 0 manual coding. To maintain optimal reasoning, use "compact" to summarize past work and "clear" to reset the context window after completing a successful feature build. The automation loop involves 3 steps: describe the task, build in agent mode, and refine by reviewing the app and clearing the context. Use exit when finished.